Hi, I am Imal Aswath. I am going to teach for 12th standard. The chapter is differential equations. It is in homogeneous method. So this is an important question. Solve the following differential equation. xy log y by x dx plus y square minus x square log of y by x dy equal to 0. So here I have made a simple arrangement, that is here log of y by x. So here I bring this one to first side. So minus take outside x square log y by x minus y square dy equal to 0. Then dy by dx equal to xy log of y by x by x square log y by x minus y square. So next here we have to put y equal to vx. Put y equal to vx, which implies dy by dx equal to v plus x into dv by dx. So dy by dx equal to v plus x into dv by dx equal to here x. So x into vx into log of vx by x divided by x square log of vx by x minus v square x square. So here x get cancelled, here x get cancelled, here x into x square. So here also x square we can take outside, so x square get cancelled. So what is the remaining things? V log v divided by x square log v minus v square. Sorry, x square also get cancelled, so log v minus v square. So here next here v plus x into dv by dx. Next you have to bring this v here. So what you get is minus v. So now you have to take LCM. So v log v minus v log v. Here minus into minus plus v cube. So v log v cancel divided by log v minus v square. Next here variable separable method, then next we are going to use. So bring the v variable one side and x variable one side. So what you get is here log v by v square into log v minus v square into dv equal to dx by x equal to dx by x. Next I bring this v square numerator. So what you get is v cube. So v cube, so v power minus 3 into log v minus v power minus 3 here minus 2. So that is equal to, this is dv minus v dv equal to dx by x integral, this one integral. So I bring this one to the numerator and multiply my v power minus 3 log v dv. Then here minus 3 plus 2, that is v. So v dv. So this one you bring this side, what you get is v square by 2. So again this one for v power minus 3 log v dv. Here it is uv method. So here this is, what is u? Always take such logarithmic function as the first function. Then this one, this is the next function. Therefore u equal to log v integral dv equal to v power minus 3. So what you get is integration v power minus 3 plus 1 divided by minus 3 plus 1. So what you get, v power minus 2 divided by minus 2. Here du equal to 1 by v dv. Du equal to 1 by v dv. So now v power minus 3 log v dv equal to here u equal to log v d u v equal to that is minus 1 by 2. So minus 1 by 2. So by 2 minus 1 by 2 v power minus 2. V power minus 2 minus integral v du. V is what? V equal to v power minus 2. So here plus. So 1 by 2 v power minus 2. V power minus 2 dv equal to, next u equal to, du equal to 1 by v dv. Du equal to 1 by v dv. So now what is the answer? Here minus log 1 by 2 log v by v square, log v by v square. Then here plus 1 by 2. Here v, so v power minus 3. So v power minus 3, integration of v power minus 3 is minus 3 plus 1, that is v power minus 2 divided by v power minus 2. So again here what you get is minus 1 by 4 v power minus 2. So that is equal to 1 by v square, 1 by v square plus c, 1 by v square plus c here. Sorry, here not c. Next we have to substitute this one in the, here this formula, that is here we are going to use this one. So here what you get is v power minus 3 log v d equal to minus 1 by 2 log v by v square, then plus v square log v square, here minus 1 by 4 v square, minus 1 by 4 v square, that is minus 1 by 4 v square. Next integration of v dv, integration of v dv equal to v square by 2. You have to bring this one next side, that is equal to v square by 2. Then integral of dx by x equal to log x. Here that is v, that is dv by v here. So that is not v square by 2 log v, not v square by 2 log v plus c, log v plus c. So what you get is here log of vx plus c, here minus 1 by 2, substitute v equal to y by x. So what you get, minus 1 by 2 log y by x divided by y square by x square minus 1 by 4v square, that is 4y square, here x square equal to log y v equal to y by x into x, so log y plus c, log y plus c. Now we have to bring this one to the next side, that is minus 1 minus x square log y by x by y square, here minus x square by 4y square equal to log y plus c. Then here LCM, you have to take LCM. So what you get is minus 4, here 4 is not having, so 4x square log y by x, then here minus x square equal to 4y square log y, 4y square log y plus 4y square c. So this is the solution of this differential equation. This is the solution of this differential equation. You have to do this problem, each and every step is very important. So don't make it a speed. You have to do it. You have to do it as correct. You have to do it as correct. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment and subscribe.